All right, Caesars. This is a Saturday night, the week after Easter. This place is packed, absolutely packed. They've already got the barricades set out for the nightclub. It's amazing how organized they are. They set this up in 5 minutes because they want the traffic in the daytime to flow through here. But in the night, they've got to slow them down so they can go through that metal detector. At some point, we're all going to go through metal detectors, even when we go in our house, because even our spouses are not trusting us anymore. I don't have that problem. Oh, they got the UFC fight. This is why a lot of people are standing around right here. I think that's pay-per-view, so you have to... Well, it's on ESPN, but I think it's on the Plus. Well, maybe not. I don't know, but everybody's interested in it. Poker room is jam-packed. We do have one table that's not full yet. I'm trying to see the score on that Golden State game. I have it in my phone, but I just passing by, I figured I would see what it is. Unbelievable. Golden State collapsed. Totally collapsed. They were ahead by 8, now they're behind by 2.
That's what he is.
Wow, 1 minute to go. Absolutely pathetic. I kept seeing Golden State was 8-1 favorite to win it all. I'm thinking that's a great deal. Obviously, it's not. They suck. Remember this carpet. There'll be a test later. Getting a massage at your slot machine or at your craps table, I guess that's the ultimate flex. At least the people that are paying for it think it is. That's weird. Look at this. This one room is completely empty. Is this the high limit room? It might be, yeah, $25. Yep, $25. But I didn't see the sign. Maybe the sign's on the other entrance. Maybe it's hidden. Yeah, it is a high limit room. Huh. But there's plenty of low action, so why not take advantage of it? Caesars has these small little enclaves that are very strange. And when you get in them, you don't know how to get out of them. This is really one of the casinos on the Las Vegas Strip that I don't think anyone ever figures out because of the shape. You can totally think you're going in the right direction and all of a sudden you're not. Because I think I'm walking towards the lobby right now. Well, maybe I'm half right. I thought it would be to the right, but it's straight ahead. Must be this way. Yeah, must be this way. Yeah, Goldfish in here. Goldfish are good luck for Chinese people. You probably knew that. That's why they have the goldfish. That's not for eating. You cannot eat that. I mean, you can if you raise them yourself at home. But they're no longer $1. You know that? Remember, they used to be 99 cents. And they gave it to you in a plastic bag. And they were dead by the time you got home. And you didn't care because you only paid 99 cents. Then you had to tell your kid that the fish was just sleeping, and then you had to go back to the store and replace it with a live one the next day and say the fish woke up. It was miraculous. And 2 weeks later it died again. And then you just gotta tell your kid to get over it. That's what they do. Yeah, remember when I was going to the lobby? I wasn't. Somehow I got sucked back into that's the room I was just in, I think. Well, now I gotta go back through it. Well, the people that watch my channel saw me in here, and they came in here. That's what happened. All right, I see the lobby. Not that we have to go to the lobby, I'm just saying I see it. I'm a believer. This pit is unbelievable. All right, they're going to get there. Where's he pointing to, by the way? I never did get that. I think he's saying he got a first down. Yeah, that's what he's saying. You would have to say that this is the most iconic casino in the world. It's got to be. What else would it be? All the rest of them are newer and they're trendy and fatty. Not F-A-T, F-A-D-Y. Like Cosmopolitan's hot for 6 months and then it's not the place to go, not cool. Then it's cool again. But this place is iconic. This is where people go to get their picture taken. I almost wore that exact skirt. My God, my stomach just dropped. Because I didn't realize right at the second what I'm wearing, so I went with the shorts and the t-shirt instead. God, you know, sometimes you get lucky. It is mini skirt. Now, are those mini skirts? Are they called mini dresses? Because I think a skirt is only what comes to your waist, isn't it? Somebody enlighten me on that. I don't know. I'm very in tune with high fashion for myself, but I don't really know the female part of it. If a mini skirt is something you wear your waist and that's it, or can it be a dress? Because what I'm going to say, we're in mini skirt season. Or is that a short skirt, a short dress? And it's going to bother me all night. Because I keep getting reminded of it. All right, I better get out of Caesars before people overhear me talking about that and I get arrested. That's all I got to say about that.